My name is Laura Gibbs, and today I'm going to be doing a presentation about corruption in Pakistan. The question that I will try to answer is what is and what the role does it play in Pakistani politics and business? Corruption. Corruption is an act of bribery involving a public servant and transfer of tangible resources. Political turbulence and insecurity have dominated Pakistan over the last 50 years, marked by frequent regime changes and arrests. Pakistan's culture of corruption. Income Tax Department. In 1996, the Pakistan Income Tax Department compiled a list of senators, members of the national and provisional legislatures, and cabinet ministers that gave their total tax payment in the period 1985 to 1993, a total of 142. About 47% of the total have paid no income tax at all, and 30 of them have paid less than $250. The Metropolitan Corporation of Lahore, the second largest city in Pakistan, imported modern construction machinery at the cost of about two-thirds of its entire municipal development budget. However, none of this construction equipment was actually used by the MCL, since it was immediately appropriated by private construction contractors, including the mayor of the MCL. Ghost schools. One measure of the extensive corruption in the education department was revealed by the first Pakistani National Education Census in 2006, which found that 12,737 educational institutions out of a total of 164,579 public sector schools in the country are not functional. Ghost schools are those which constructors have been paid for building, and whose teachers often draw pay for teaching, but which exist only on paper. Earlier surveys have shown that even many non-ghost schools had teachers drawing pay but not showing up to work. Some corrupt politicians leaders of Pakistan are Sharif. Former Pakistani Prime Minister Sharif has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for his role in the massive corruption. Sharif served as a prime minister 3 times since 1990, his most recent terms ending in 2017. Sharif heard that news in London, where he lives now. Sadar, President of Pakistan during 2009-2013. He was various business interests in Pakistan as well as abroad, including the field of agriculture and real estate. Khan. In 2012, he was alleged to be involved in a 32 million corruption case along with Sharif. He is also considered to be one of the most corrupt prime ministers of Pakistan after Sharif. During his prime ministership, he was criticized for being a corrupt prime minister. In April 2012, he was removed from the office of prime minister by the Supreme Court on the charges of contempt of court. Key sectors affected by corruption in Pakistan: police and law enforcement, legal profession, power sector, tax and customs, health and education, land administration, Pakistan Steel. And I'm gonna finish this presentation with this quote: "The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing nothing." Albert Einstein. There are some reference, and thanks for